J's.
That's right, that's right.
House full of J's.
That's right, that's right.
House full of J's. House full of J's.
That's right, that's right.
House full of J's.
That's right, that's right.
House full of J's.
You guys, good morning. Everybody in the house is asleep right now. I thought I'd grab the camera because I just heard the loudest noise last night, and I hope I'm not going crazy or something. And I woke up Jamal and I told him, like, I heard a noise, and he was like, he didn't hear anything, just go back to sleep. So it took me a little while to go back to sleep because all I heard was and I didn't even want to get out the bed, and Jamal said it was nothing, so I listened to him. But come along with us today. We have something special to do for the kids. I'm gonna try to get that off my mind because it's kind of scary, you know. But anyway,
yeah,
you know,
but I mean, you don't even know where it came from.
no, I don't, but it just
It
sounds,
could be from even next door.
it sound loud.
I don't know. I think you're just hearing stuff. I don't know.
That's what he told me last night. So
This is
whatever. Maybe I was
yeah,
dreaming.
but this,
I don't know.
Yeah, but this is a new house, so there should be no possible way that you should be hearing banging and sounds. It should be, you know, already put together.
I know, that's what I was saying. I'm in my head, I'm like, this is a brand new house, but I don't know. Maybe I was hearing
The kids
things,
are asleep,
guys.
so it can't, and it ain't me. It must be you, not me.
I don't know, guys. Like I said, I could have just been dreaming, but I don't know.
Yeah, but what time? And that's not, what time was this?
I didn't check, but it was still nighttime. I feel like it was still nighttime.
2, 3 in the morning? What?
Could be, yeah. Yeah, I think so. I don't know. I didn't look at my phone, but it was nighttime.
Check,
I didn't go upstairs. I was a little scared.
but your kids are up there.
Yeah, so? That's what I told you, and you're like, it's nothing.
I don't know.
I don't know, guys. So anyway, just stay tuned with us today. We are going to, like I said, do something special for the kids. They have been wanting to do stuff. You know, it's quarantine, and we've all been pretty much locked up. Yeah, you guys. So, like I said, we're going to do something special for the kids. They've been, like, pretty much nagging us, okay, to do something. And I'm not sure yet, but we're gonna do something today. All I'm gonna say is that I hope that I don't hear that noise again, because, like, you guys know, we're new to Texas. Like, this is our first ever actually single standalone house, and I mean, I don't know. I'm just like, I don't know. It's just weird.
Well, I just still don't understand, like, why at that time you would still hear something. Because, I mean, it's not like it would be the construction guys, because they come in the morning, you know. There's some newer homes across the street, but so it's not like they're working.
Exactly my point.
Yeah, but did it sound like it came from down here in the first floor?
No, it sounded like it came from upstairs.
Like on the roof?
Yeah, like in the attic or in the roof.
And not the kids?
Not the kids. I don't think so.
It's crazy. I mean, I really hope this is, you know, something that fell down. So maybe we should go check that if anything.
I don't
want
to check right now.
Why
no
not?
way.
It's in the morning now.
Like you said, it's probably nothing.
Well, then don't stress me out on this stuff, man.
We'll see you guys in a bit. Okay, you guys, so Jamal insists on us going upstairs. The kids are still sleeping. The dogs are still sleeping. Like,
Yeah, but you would have heard the dog bark or something. Look. It's quiet. I don't think. think it's nothing. Nothing fell down over here. It's not. I mean, you got this. This is the only like wooden part that would be.
Let me check behind here.
Like, we didn't put any pictures on the wall for that to fall down. You see, we didn't even do up here.
Why is that? Look, it's a little open, Jamal.
Julia's room is still there.
Julia's sleeping. They're still sleeping.
Yeah. Nothing fell down, so. I mean, there's a car, so maybe you heard that.
I don't know.
But like I said, everybody still sleeps, so I'm not too sure.
But look, why is it open like that?
What?
Like, cause like a little crack. That's just me, right?
Right.
Yeah, it's like open a little bit.
I don't think so. And this would be too short for the kids to read, so I doubt it. Let's see. It's not even easy to open. I don't know. I think, like I said, I think she's just, you heard something. Could have been in your dream.
I don't know. Like, this is weird.
Well, that's why I wanted you to check, because I don't see nothing.
Okay, well, I take your word for it, but maybe I was just dreaming, guys. I don't know. Jojo, what was it, Joe? Joe, did you see anything? Huh? Jojo, come here. Did you see anything, Joe? Mia, did you see anything? I don't know, because they even would have barked. I don't know, guys. Stay tuned for our day, you guys. It's just really weird. Okay, guys, so we were finally able to get out of the house. I just still can't get over what I heard last night. Question for you guys. Did you guys hear anything last night?
All I heard last night was crackling like cans cracking. I didn't hear anything.
Cans cracking?
Jaren said he didn't hear anything. Julia said cans crackling.
I didn't hear anything.
I also heard. I only heard footsteps. And
He heard footsteps.
So Jaren didn't hear anything. Somebody said they heard cans crackling. Jamal didn't hear anything. I don't know, guys. We really have to get to the bottom of this. But for now, we're just gonna try to like ease our minds, and we're gonna go,
Take the kids.
we're gonna take the kids right here to Urban Air, which this will be our first time there. So come join us. You know, let's take our minds off of this weird stuff that's going on. Yeah, guys, so like I said, this is where we're going. Urban Air. They couldn't even wait for me to get my mask on. They just ran in here. So let's hope that the music is not too loud so we can get some footage and talk to you guys. Okay, you guys, so we got back home. Sorry we didn't close out the vlog. Everybody is sleeping and I just can't get any sleep because I am looking for whatever is making that noise. I haven't heard the noise yet. So I'm gonna stay up for a little while longer and see if I hear it. But thank you guys for tuning in. If I hear anything, you guys are gonna see it, okay, in the next video. Hopefully it's nothing, you guys. I'm just like scared. Like we just moved here and already something could be in our attic. Scary. Okay, you guys, but like I said, we love you guys. If it's your first time here, please hit that subscribe button. Guys, please just give this video a big thumbs up. And also, stay humble, work hard, be kind. We out. Peace.